In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the outline and change the color of hyperlinks in PowerPoint. This quick tip will help you enhance the visual appeal of your presentations and ensure that your hyperlinks blend seamlessly into your slides, maintaining a professional look. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is your starting point, so make sure the program is up and running before you proceed to the next steps. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to modify. This can be a new presentation or an existing one, depending on where you want to adjust your hyperlink styles. Now, find the slide containing the hyperlink you wish to customize. Highlight the text that forms the hyperlink. It's important to select only the text that acts as the link because this is what we'll be modifying in appearance. With your text highlighted, make your way to the Home tab located on the PowerPoint toolbar at the top of the screen. This tab contains many of the text formatting options that PowerPoint offers. Once you are in the Home tab, look for the Underline button. Clicking this will remove the underlining from your hyperlink, which is a common characteristic that distinguishes it as a link. Keep in mind that some design contexts might still require underlining, but this step will help in removing that default style if it doesn't suit your design. Next, you'll find a small icon on the lower right corner of the font group, often referred to as the small font dialog box. Clicking this icon will provide additional customization options for your text. In the dialog that appears, you'll see an option labeled single line in the underline style dropdown. Select this to ensure that any unwanted styling associated with links is removed and adhere to your desired aesthetic. The final step involves choosing the right color for your hyperlink text to complement your slide's background. In the same dialog box, you'll find the font color section. Select a font color that closely matches your slide's background color. This will help your hyperlinks to blend more naturally into the slide, creating a cleaner, more integrated look without unnecessary distractions. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the styling of hyperlinks in your PowerPoint presentation. It's these small tweaks that can make a big difference, enhancing both the readability and professionalism of your slides. Remember, consistency is key, so apply these changes throughout your presentation to maintain a cohesive look and feel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this quick tip useful to elevate your PowerPoint skills.